Hello and welcome to the instructions on how to set up a campsite for a family. Camping with a family can be fun and sometimes stressful. To relieve the stress, it is good to have a plan. Here is a plan to help setup go smooth, and the rest of the time you can relax and enjoy the camping trip. These instructions are good for a family of 6. These instructions are also assuming you know how to set up the tent you are using. If you do not know how to set up the tent, then refer to your specific tent instructions before continuing on with these tent site setup instructions. What you will need: 1 large tent, 1 small camp table, 6 camping chairs, 2 air mattresses, 4 sleeping bags, 2 blankets and 6 pillows, 4 lanterns, 1 camp stove and accessories, 1 tablecloth with clamps, 1 cooler full of cold food and ice, 1 tote full of dry food, and wood. The first thing you will do when you get to your tent site is you're going to set up your tent. Second, you will place the air mattresses in the tent, open them up, and fill them both. Third, place the sleeping bags and blankets and pillows how you would like onto the 2 air mattresses or the floor, however each person prefers to sleep. Fourth, you will take out the chairs, unfold them, and place them around the fire pit. Fifth, you'll place dry foods tote in the tent to ensure nothing gets into it. Sixth, you'll set up the small camp table, but not near the tent. Choose a place that would be okay to cook at, since the camp stove will be on this table. Seventh, place the camp stove on the small camp table along with the stove accessories, or anything you brought for cooking. Eighth, place the cooler next to the small camp stove for easy access to the food that will be cooked on the camp stove. Ninth, spread out the tablecloth on the picnic table that was already at the site and use the tablecloth clamps to hold it onto the table. 10th, start a campfire if there is no burn ban. And 11th, sit in a chair with a cold drink and enjoy. Thank you.